subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello. In this video, we shall discuss in brief the life and works of George Bernard Shaw. George Bernard Shaw was born on 26 July 1856 in Dublin, Ireland. He was the son of George Cort Shaw and Lucinda Elizabeth Shaw. Though G.B. Shaw was born in Ireland, his family was of English descent. He developed a wide knowledge of music, art, and literature under his mother's guidance and through his frequent visits to National Gallery of Ireland. From 1865 to 1871, Shaw almost attended 4 schools. About schools and schoolmasters he wrote were prisoners and turnkeys in which children are kept to prevent them disturbing and chaperoning their parents. He got married in 1898 with Charlotte Payne. Shaw was a playwright, critic, polemicist, and political activist. He remained a socialist throughout his life and career. In 1925, Shaw was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. He died on 2 October 1950 in England at Ayot St. Lawrence. Shaw started his career as a writer in 1878 when he attempted to write a play on a religious theme, but he left it unfinished. In the same year, he wrote a novel, The Leg Papers, but he also abandoned it and was not published. His earliest plays were published in volumes entitled Plays Unpleasant and Plays Pleasant. Plays Unpleasant contained Widow vs. Houses, The Philanderer, and Mrs. Warren's Profession. Plays Pleasant contained Alms and the Man, Candida, The Man of Destiny, You Never Can Tell. At the end of the 19th century, Shaw started producing his major works. In 1898, he produced his play Caesar and Cleopatra, which was followed by Man and Superman in 1903. His major plays are Major Barbara, The Doctor's Dilemma, Pygmalion, Androcles and the Lion, and St. John. Apart from plays, Shaw also wrote many novels like Immaturity, The Irrational Knot, Love Among the Artists, and An Unsocial Socialist.